Well, howdy tubes. It's me, Jimmy with a head cold here. We got my friend Todd's Bronco here. We're going to be changing out the taillights with a cool little kit that he's got. And we also got to figure out why his brake lights aren't working. I also don't know how to operate his back window. It's not rolling down with the button when you turn the key on, so I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, I've got a head cold, just a little bit. Got it from a little adventure I had this weekend, which you guys will see a video eventually on that when I get around to making it. Anyways, I think that's all we're doing today is just taillights, so when he gets out here, I'll have him roll his window down so we get the tailgate open, and we'll get to work, start working on something. Okay, here's Todd. Now he can show me how to work his truck.
So it's traditional Ford round key for the doors.
He's like a janitor. He's got 500 keys in it. Yeah, the other key was like knob.
So you go till it stops, and then you go a little more, and bleep,
okay.
bleep.
Does your switch not work up there?
It does, but you gotta turn the ignition on.
I did, and it was like, nah.
What?
It wasn't doing shit for me. It was like, no. And I had it ba-ding-dong in and everything. So here's what we got. Blacked out. Black on red usually looks pretty good.
Let's show you the reason why. Because those lights are only a couple years old.
Yeah. They look factory, but they're modified to have little LED strips in them, and they were cool at first. Now they know work. Yeah.
So it's got two sections up here.
Yeah.
And I think it only has one working section on the far side.
That is outstanding.
Phillips. We'll need your soldering iron too.
Yeah, which I have right here.
Ah, giggity.
That's not what to do. Oh, hey, look, those are these.
Yeah, if you remember right, some of these were close fit, but not exact.
Oh yeah, and then we have a random Ford interior screw for the bottom.
Something like that.
Oh yeah, that's right. Come on, get out there. Get some schnickel later for that.
Wait, you know, I totally forgot about that.
What?
We made a yellow or an amber bulb work, and then
Oh, I might have clear ones.
okay. But no, we won't need them.
Oh, that's right.
Only the reverse bulb is what we'll need.
Okay, I gotta pull it out here. Tink. So, oh, we don't have to solder nothing. We just need to untape that.
Well, remember we snipped the high bulb, the wire for the high bulb.
Yeah.
So we need to get that soldered
For the
back
brake light?
together for the brake light. Yeah.
I know, that's why the brake lights don't work, because this went out.
Well, actually, before the running light out.
And I have some new fancy tape for that. Say hello to my little friend. You want to explore? Yeah, we cut some wires on this to make it work with this other Doom at Hickey. So we have to basically put it back to factory because this kit here is now just plug and play. And then this, I think we might have room for this ballast thing to just stick in here.
Well, I have a digital blinker thing. I think I have it on one of the back pouches behind my seat. So once we get this fixed and get this plugged in, I would like to get I would like to see if we can get it to work without. If we can get it to work without the.
Yeah, someone's like, well, what if it just works with? I'm like, well, after you get done taping that up, we can plug this in and just see what happens. And if they work out, I'm gonna order a set. You know, after I get a spare wheel and spare tire and another drum. Oh, people are gonna be like, what are you talking about? Oh, I think I'm gonna use this video to tease people with what's going on. And then my grandpa would be like, you know, it only goes in one way. And you're like, okay. Yeah, just turn the headlights on and let's see what happens.
Okay. Taillight?
Taillight. Full on taillight.
Brake light?
No brake light. I still want to unplug that trailer hitch junction thing you got. And just start there. I gotta bump my nose. Okay, you have turn signals. And the turn signals are a part of the brake light.
Yes.
Signal. So... Is that how it normally blinks, or...
No, it's...
Is it...
No, hold on a second now.
Want to try and jump these and see what happens?
Wait. So I'm going to stick this in and then unplug that and see if we... Because there's not a lot of space in here.
Yeah.
Super tight fit.
Want to see what happens if we jump those? Oh, take that out. And then plug that back in. No, take that out. Plug that back in. So when you jumped that, your reverse light was going on and off.
What?
Yeah. So it looks like you're gonna have to run
We're
that
stuck
ballast.
with it. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking right back here is totally out of the way of stuff. Oh, and then... And there's the garbage.
The garbage.
Now, since I have my snippers, I'm gonna take care of something. Where'd the garbage go? I just brought it. Oh yeah, look, it's like brand new now.
If they're like that.
Yeah. Fucking neat. Ugh. Like, I'm gonna throw up. Yeah. So we tinkered around with the brake light situation. We think we know what happened. We have turn signals, so that means that the circuit for the brake is also, it's good coming back here. But a long time ago, we put a turn signal switch in. Or no, did we put a new one in, or
Yeah.
we put a new one in, but we had to cut the wires to get the pigtail through.
'Cause we didn't want to do it the right way.
Exactly. So I think what happened is we have a broken wire for the brake circuit because the brake and turn signal are on the same circuit on this on these old Fords. So pretty much narrowed that down. I checked his. He's got like a trailer plug thing. I just undid that and plugged it in like factory. That didn't change, so that's not causing any issues. We just have something with the steering column. Might do that another day.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to get in there, probably cut and solder in some smaller wires or whatever, or pieces of wire to, I don't know. We're gonna have to figure out what's going on there. We also still have to realign his passenger door, which we have not done in like ever. Oh yeah, we got all kinds of stuff. LMC Truck's got an alignment tool for that. I'm thinking about ordering. I don't think it was too much. Oh, I got the other side going in. You're like, don't scratch it. Reverse lights work. Got turn signal. Yeah, the turn signal looks good. Yeah. Turn signal on both sides.
That's good enough for the girls' big date.
I like those. Those look good. Despite the tint, the reverse lights are nice and bright.
Yeah. Do you have use for these bulbs?
Any of the old ones, toss, that's a new one. He's got that. Yep, I think that's going to be it for this video. Just a quick one.
Yeah, we ran out of steam, guys.
I'm running out of steam. I've got a head cold. I need to go rest, and he's going to head back and go crash.
I'm gonna go back and do laundry.
Yeah, chores first. Like, dang it, I don't want to do chores. Yep.
Where the trash can go.
Oh, I got it.
I worked on it too.
All right, guys. We'll see you later. I'll explain that and other things later.